How to watch videos on Reddit with sound. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. Now first thing first, go to the Play Store application and in the search bar just search for Reddit application. This is the process to make sure that your application is updated to its latest version to avoid any sort of glitches on your device. So as you can see, there's no update option on my application, so I'm just going to tap on open because it is updated in my device. Now it will lead you to the home page of the Reddit application. Now make sure that you have logged in. After getting into the home page, you can just look for any video that you want to get the sound off. So we're just gonna scroll and look for the video. So as you can see, this is a particular video we have. So to get this sound, what you're gonna do is we can see these speaker icon at the bottom of the video. You can just tap on that and you can get the sound. So thank you so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell notification for more updates. That's it for today and see you next time.